So Weibo is Brandy's. On the backside, you can see that there is the branding of Weibo, and its model number is Weibo V55G. The problem in this device is, friends, that the device is our completely screen lock, i.e. pattern lock. So watch this video carefully. In this video, I will tell you absolutely free way to unlock Weibo V55G. After watching this video of mine, you will be able to unlock Vivo Y28 without PC, without laptop, sitting at home for free. That is, its pattern pin or password lock can be removed absolutely for free. So you saw, friends, the device is our complete pattern lock. Now listen carefully how to unlock this device. See, friends. To unlock the device, you must first turn it off. When your device is powered off, look at the right side of the device. You will see 3 buttons here. At the top, volume up, then volume down, and absolutely power unlock button. Listen carefully how to unlock this device. As I told you, first of all, turn off the power of the device. What do you do after power off? This is the button now, and this is the power unlock button for you to make it simple. Do you have to press these 2 buttons together? Press OK for 5 seconds. You will see your device will be on and the Weibo logo will appear on the display. Be careful, friends, as soon as the device will be on, the logo of Weibo will be visible. You will immediately remove your finger from these 2 buttons. Okay, after doing this, you will see your device, Weibo V55G, will be completely active in fast boot mode. Okay, so I hope the method has understood you well. Let me show you this thing practically. You can still see the device is our completely pattern block. I told you to power off the device first. To turn off the power, press the volume up and power button together and first turn off the device. The device was powered off. Now look carefully, this thing I am going to show you practically. So I told you that volume up and power button, you have to press these 2 buttons together for 5 seconds. Look at these 2 buttons I pressed. As soon as Weibo sees black, remove your fingers from both buttons. Did you see? Weibo showed black. I removed my fingers from both buttons, and now the device is fully active in fast boot mode. Okay guys, look here. There are 2 options, recovery mode and reboot mode. First, you have to activate the device in recovery mode. That is, you have to go to the recovery mode option. For this is the down button. Press the up down button once. You will come to the recovery mode option. Now after coming here, you have to OK. Press the power button to do OK. So here I pressed the power button. As soon as you press the power button, your device will reboot, and after waiting for a few seconds, the device will be fully active in recovery mode. And look at this, folks. The device is fully active in recovery mode after rebooting. You can look upwards. It says Weibo 5G recovery, and all these recovery options are shown here. Now, friends, you have to unlock the device. Its pattern is to break PIN or password lock. Then see here an option on the second number. You will see clear data. You have to click on the option with clear data. Then from here, I clicked on the option with clear data. As soon as I clicked on clear data, see here it is showing 2 options, clear cache at the top and clear all data at the bottom. Pay attention to one thing, friends. In many devices, only one option shows clear cache, which is the second option. This option does not show all data then if the option of clear all data is not showing in your device. This means that you have purchased the device with finance and not cash. So in this condition, if you have to unlock your device, then you have to go to your nearest service center for this. So friends, both options are being shown here. Here now you have to click on the option with clear all data. Then from here I clicked on the option with clear all data. As soon as you will click on clear all data, see here clear all data, and 2 options will come in front of you, cancel and OK. Now you have to click. Okay, so I clicked OK from here. Okay, as soon as you click, see this clearing data, this processor has started happening. Now you have to wait until this processor is completed. As soon as this processor is completed, you will see here the message of cleared, all data cleared will come, and see this processor is completed, and you can see cleared all data clear message arrives, then all data clear message arrives. It means device has been completely unlocked. So now, friends, we have to leave here. See here to get baked on Weibo recovery options. There is an option to return. You simply click on return here. Okay? Now we have to go back to Weibo recovery whale. For this, you can see from here, this is the arrow at the top. You can simply click on this arrow and see this. We have come back to Weibo recovery whale. So friends, the message of clearing all data came. This means that our device has been completely unlocked, so now we have to restart the device. Look at the bottom, there are two options, power off or restart. So now you have to click on restart. Then from here, I clicked on restart. By clicking on restart, the option of restart, your device cancel or OK will come. So now friends, finally you have to click OK. Then from here, I clicked OK. Click OK and you will see your device Vivo V55G will reboot. The device has rebooted and now friends, you have to wait. It will be fully on when the device is rebooted until it is fully on. So you will see friends, your device will not show any type of lock as before and your device Vivo V55G will be completely unlocked. So friends, in this video, I told you absolutely free way to unlock Vivo V55G is expected. You will definitely like the videos of friends and will be helpful for you. If you like the video, please don't forget to like the video and support the channel to get continuous notifications of such great, interesting videos. Subscribe. If you have any questions related to the video, then leave a comment in the comment section, or if you need to unlock any device of any brandy sitting at home. So you can contact them for that. My contact details are available in the description box related to video. Now look at this guys, maximum we wait 30 to 40 seconds. The device has been rebooted and is fully on after rebooting. You can see that the display is not showing any type of lock. Let me show you the complete setup. First of all, click start and then click next. There is a small box here, then check this box. After that you click on next. You have to skip this option. You will see the option of setup offline, click on it. From here you click on continue. See here, set unlock method option. Then from here, you can apply finger lock again in your device pattern, pin password. I will skip this option, so I clicked on skip. Here you will click on peacock from below. Once again, click on peacock, accept, click on this. From here, you have to click on agree from below. Here you click on next. There are two options for system negation. You can select the ones you like here. After that, you click on next. Here you see get started, you click on this and that's it. Now go, your device, Vivo V45G is fully unlocked, fully active. In this video, I showed the complete setup. So friends, this was a complete full processor. How did you like the video of unlocking Vivo V55G? Be sure to comment in the comment section. If you like this video, please share it as much as possible. Like and support the channel to get continuous notifications of such great, interesting videos. Subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.